If BingX is showing you a message saying the platform is not available in your region or certain features are restricted, this is usually related to regional rules or your IP location rather than a complete ban. BingX is a global crypto exchange, but it does not operate under full regulation in every country. Because of that, users in places like the UK may still be able to access the platform, but some features, such as advanced derivatives, futures, or high-risk trading tools, may be limited depending on compliance requirements. In most cases, you can still create an account normally, complete identity verification, and use basic services like spot trading and copy trading. Many users only experience partial restrictions rather than being fully blocked from the platform. If you are able to access the platform without issues, then the process is simple. Sign up, complete KYC verification, and start trading cryptocurrencies as usual. However, the availability of features can still change over time based on regulatory updates or internal policy decisions from the exchange. If access is restricted or certain tools are unavailable, a more reliable approach is to use a crypto exchange that is fully supported and regulated in your region. This is especially important in the UK, where financial regulations are strict and focused on protecting users from unregulated services. Regulated platforms like Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance's UK compliance services generally offer more consistent access, stronger user protection, and clearer support channels if anything goes wrong. Because they follow local rules, they tend to be more stable in the long run. Some people mention using VPNs to bypass regional restrictions, but this is risky and can violate the terms of service of the exchange. In some cases, it may lead to account limitations, withdrawal delays, or even permanent restrictions, so it is not a safe long-term solution. The better approach is to either use the platform only where it is officially supported or choose an exchange that is fully available in your country. This helps you avoid unnecessary risks and keeps your funds and account more secure. It is also worth remembering that crypto platforms often update their rules and availability depending on regulations, so access today may not always guarantee the same access in the future. Overall, if BingX is not working properly in the UK, it usually comes down to regional restrictions or feature limitations rather than a total ban. In most situations, the safest choice is either using it within supported limits or switching to a regulated exchange that is fully compliant in your region.